Good evening, everyone. Second game kita. Trollers versus Copy Mods. For formality. Mapasalamat kami gali sa aton mga sponsors. Thank you, Gid. Honorable Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Mayor Tom Ledesma, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Mike Maravilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Kapremi Roldano, Barangay Balaring, Silay Institute, Otsoy's Bistro, Chick Boys Grill, The Yard, Puno Garis, Mintok Arts, Gaston Tattoo, and most especially to Sir Paulo Chanco of Team Paulo Chanco Organization. Madam Mugid nga salamat. First quarter kita, Copy Mods versus Trollers. Oh no. Perfect run. Bam! Basket for Paloma. Steal for Copy Mods. Basket. 3 points. 6-0 dayon. Para sa Copy Mods. Damsay no daog sa first game. Daog ang Punong Garis. Ryan Azuro. Short. Ball for Copy Mods. Ay, Copy Mods. For Trollers. 3 points. Unare. Wala. Rebound. For Copy Mods. Steal. By Trollers. Steal again by Trollers. Wala sa gihapon. Bam! 9-0 na. Score 9-0 for Copy Mods. Nice block. There's out of bounds.
4-9-0 in favor of Copy Mods.
Ball para sa Trollers. Nice pass. Wala gyapon. Sino nagdagi na Messi Taylor for Punong Garis. 3 points. Wala. Ball para sa Trollers. 9-0 sa gyapon ang score. Trollers ball. Nakashoot man gid. 9-2. Azuro basket. 11-2 para sa Copy Mods. Good evening, Elmar. Thank you. Goodbye. Ay, wala gapon. Kanugon. Thank you, Goodmar, sa pag-attend ko kinasan turnover. 3 points. Wala. Rebound for Copy Mods. 3. Wala. Secret. Good evening, Madam Ross Borsillo. Ball for Trollers. Ay, wala gyapon. Copy Mods ball. Hello, Madam. Good evening. Good evening, Jella sa Bobo Robles. 3 points. Buena fe. Wala. Rebound for Copy Mods. Basket. 13-2 na. Score 13-2. Alvin Adver, John Mark Pagaperde, Boss Boy. Nice pass! Ball Trollers. Bublo. Basket. 4-13 na score. 4-13. Copy Mods. Rollers ball. Basket. 13-6. Copy Mots. Rebound for Toronto's. 5 minutes remaining. First quarter. Bublo for 3. Paloma for 3 again. Basket. 16-6. Paloma for 3 again. Rebound. Copy mo ay Rollers. Basket for Galatagan. 8-16. Basket. 8-18.
Shot clock 18 seconds.
Ay! Copy Mots ball. Rebound, rebound for Rollers. Still, wala. Bublo again. Basket. 10-18. Calvo for 3. Out of bounds. Good evening, Madam. Shout out kay Honey TG. Aling kay Kagawad Alfred. Mama, shout out kay Sir Nick Cordam. Kita na sa buong shot. Ay, wow. Rebound for Copy mo. 3 minutes remaining. Hello, Madam. Shout out na kay number 30 Santrollers. Nga Gaurayu Raylanda sa balay. Aling kay Romsky Infante. Wala. Rebound for Copy Mots. 10-18 na score. Nice pass. Ay! Donaire for 3. Ay, tulang. Ay, okay, takalin niya. 18-12 para sa gani. Copy Mots. Gani. Azuro! May versa!
2 minutes.
Copy Mots ball. Three points! Basket! 21-12. Basket for Donaire. Uy, nabayan.
1 minute and 30
3
seconds.
points! Basket again! Grabe! Puro stress ba? 24-14. No. Hasta fourth quarter.
1 minute.
Basket.
Toronto basket.
24-16 for Copy Mots.
55 seconds.
Wait a minute, time out. Rebound.
55 seconds.
Ay, man. Hoy! Isa pa! Out of bounds. Ay, wala. Save.
15
Dollars ball. Basket. 2 points. Jang, shout out sa...
30 seconds.
Shout out sa referee nga rin sa tubang mo, lakad-lakad man na doon. Kumain may gapon. Isa pa. Walang 24, 6, 18.
15. Done.
Loh.
Five.
Wala. Kabos pa jutay. Basket. 26-18. And our first quarter, 26-18. Para sa Coffee Moons.
18 in favor of Coffee Moons.
Ay na kay managsulod na niya ang Trollers sa championship. Trollers versus Puno nga itong championship. Si Repuga tira-tira ay. No. Ulo trend. Dali lang, papawaya. Papawaya yung mga mura. Dali ba lang? Papawaya. Dali lang mapawaya. Oh, second quarter, wala puway-puway. 26-18. Pero tayo. Nakabang, what? Volleyball ba? 3 points. Wala. Rollers ball on steal. Coffee Mots to Paloma basket.
Paloma basket, good for two.
28-18. Bublo for 3. Awas. 28-18 sa gihapon. 3 for Calvo. Tiko. Tuhol dito. Again pasa. For 3. Short. Ay na. Basket again for Paloma. 31-18 for Coffee Mots. Anong ginagawa mo? Shout out kay JR Gilatagaan, 3 points anay by Lolong Neck. Halin kay April Joy Adlaon. Whoop! Bublo for 3. Wala. Rebound para sa Coffee Mots. 31-18. Calvo for 3. Wala. Ball for Trollers. Kagawad mo game pasa. Tugilan tagaan. Rebound for Coffee Mots. Layo nga Tristan ba? Oh! Awas pa.
7 minutes remaining time.
Razura basket.
Good for two.
33-18. Basket for Gilantagaan. 33-20.
Good for two.
Anong daog first game madam? Daog Punong Garis. Well, ano na nga panihiraman? Azuro again! Basket!
Good for two.
35-20. 4-3. Out of bounds. Basket for Galatagan.
Good for two.
35-22. Rebound for Trollers. Nice pass. Solito. Short. Shout out to our Copy Mats boys. We can never ask for better team members. So proud of you. Cheers from Rosami Azuro. Go team Copy Mats. Hindi na hala-hala. Holito.
Shot clock 14.
For 3 basket.
Olito,
25-35.
Isa.
Cabo for 3. Rebound for Trollers. Ano gagawin sila yung dua? Oh!
14 shot clock.
O, isa pa.
Shot clock time.
Shoot. Basket for Galantagan. 27-35. Lain! Rebound for Trollers, 35-27. Basket again for Galantagan.
Good for 2.
29-35 na score. Trollers ball. Kabalasan na nila ya. Kagawad mo tumirap. Tulito basket. 31-35. Calvo for 3. Wala. Azuro. Wala tagay yapon.
14 shot clock.
Calvo for 3. Basket. 38-31. Basket.
Galantagan.
38-33. Paloma for 3 again. Azuro. Wala. Galantagan sa giyabon. Si kagawad mo yung moy. For 3. Wala. Rebound para sa Trollers.
14 shot clock.
Olito. Basket. 36-38. For 3. Matay ba? Coach. Time out, coach. Good luck, Trollers, watching from Kuwait. Basket. 40-36. Rest for Olito. Wala. Lakat-lakat ka lang ko ng repa.
Remaining time 1 minute and 13 seconds.
Kapoy. Galantagan for 3. Wala. Rebound. Copy Mats ball. 42-36. Basket. 3 points. 45-36 para sa Copy Mats. Olito. Wala. Half court. 3 points. Bam! Half court pa.
14 seconds.
Resman.
Sa paget.
48-36. for 3 basket. 51-36. Madam, shout out Team Geroners from Rodel Macaig.
Ang una yung pinakasadya, haliga. Ano ba yan?
And our second quarter, 51-36.
Running time na lang na. What na lang ka? Pagka-plus.
Third quarter na yun.
Fourth na lang dayon na.
Ah, di kami sa plaza.
Basta, na lang na.
Sanaya! God, pati.
Shout out na sa ako, may mods na lang tag-aw live.
Ara, shout out tamo, shout out tamo.
May mods, mayo na lang ang tag-aw. Ano ko do? Iho na. Mga kulay, matagal sa kulot.
Ah. $36.51 para sa Coffee Mods. Running time na lang natin, minutes ha. Rebound, Coffee Mods. 5 lang gid sila. Liwat. So, 8-14. Bam! 36-54. Watch na lang kami di, Madam. Team Coffee Mods from Rolly James, Nikia. Madam, good PM. Ano na nga quarter? Third quarter. Sino to ko na may Suzuki? Sino to may Suzuki? Ibanez, wala. Rebound, may kwaon.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Lai, ka ginawa, tres ba?
Anong nakatres nito, paro? Magulang yung pagwa.
36-57. Iban, apa, sagli.
Na-blind ka na.
Yung pa, sagli ya. Abe nyo.
Huwag na lang boy.
38-57.
Ano sa Johnny Plaza Plaza, subo.
And Lisan, no good. 38-57 a score para sa Coffee Mods. Ryan Azuro basket. 38-59 for Coffee Mods. Okay, exciting again. Ang energy.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 50
Punong na lang ka.
seconds.
Ay, punong ka. Sabo na lang naman ba?
Azuro again. Basket. 60-38. Ibanez for 3. Short. Isa pa. Wala pa.
Ayaw, ito ba ito? Ayaw.
Oh, balibol.
Volleyball or soccer?
Tres again. Short. Kapoy na. But things should show na this game is wala na bere ngayon ano. Basket. 40-61.
2 minutes remaining time.
2 minutes remaining on our third quarter. Azuro again. Isa pa. Basket. 63-40. Basket, 63-42.
And Mata.
Uy!
130 seconds.
1:30 remaining on our third quarter. Elisan to Ibanez for 3. Short. Calvo. Nice pass to Buena Fe.
1 minute.
Basket,
Lisa.
44-65.
50 seconds. 45. 14.
Ang referee nagtindog na lang. Chill,
35
chill.
seconds. 30 seconds.
Para tres! Wala, rebound for Rollers.
45 seconds.
Para man.
20 seconds remaining time.
Way, mga mukha kabalasan man.
Kung duduot. Kayo ba si Rep kami pala? Chill lang yan, Rep, no? Chill. Kayo na.
Basket for Buena Fe.
5.
We go. End of our third quarter. 67-44. Dasig lang ba?
44 in favor of Opimo.
Ora na, wala na blow yung way. Ay, nakatapos. Sana lang. Way pa, way pa. Kaya pa, kaya pa. Ikaw no?
Ikaw na. Way po, way lang. Dogi nakapoy ka ng lantaw na nga eh. Basta naman. Ginagaw na ko ng Koreano, daog pa ko na eh. Then, GC. Oh, lang ka to isa ka pligero eh. Oh, wasi lang ba? Tugali lang ako. Chuto ko na ako, oh. Ito siya na nag-robos doon eh.
Wala si Joey oh. Nice pass! Ay, wala pa.
Joey na nga.
Bravo.
Cabo for 2. 69-44. Andrino basket. 46-69. Bala. Seal for Rollers. Nice pass. Basket. 48-69.
Ilan taba?
Sa Atlas. Bingo.
Well, for 3. Wala. Rebound for Rollers. Hulito natapal.
Clementine.
Basket. 50-69. Bullet pass to Calvo. Basket.
Bravo. 3-4.
72-50. Trollers, Ibanez, wala, rebound. 4. Copy Mots. Trollers. Uy. Ay, wala pa. Steal for Trollers. Holito for 3. Rebound for Copy Mods.
3 minutes.
Out of bounds. $50-72 ang atong score in favor of Copy Mods. Andrino for 3. Wala. Rebound para sa Copy Mods. Ay! Nong, ano? Tres. Wala. Rebound. Copy Mods. 50-74. Azuro short.
Last 2 minutes.
Both teams should not show that this game is wala na beringan. Pamalas-malas na lang sila. 50-74. Copy Mods ball. Basket. 3 points. 77-50. Nice pass, basket. 52-77. 1:20 remaining on the fourth quarter. Uy! Why?
1 minute.
La! Abi ko piyo na! Hoy! Ora! Hoy!
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
End of the game, 52-79.
54 in favor of Copy Mods.
54 guys.
Best player of the game, Ryan Azuro.
Yes! Best player, Boss Ryan Azuro. Congratulations, Copy Mods. Kita sa championship. Rollers versus Punong Garisma. Announce na kami sa schedule. Thank you so much, guys. Why pa schedule? Best player of the game. Best player. Nice to have, boss. Thank you, guys. Ma-announce ang Tasan Championship. Rollers versus Punong Garis. Congratulations sa tanan niya teams. Thank you so much.